Beginning of this year, I made a goal to hit $10,000 a month from simple little side hustles that I started with no experience, no degree, just little things that I do here or there where my daughter is sleeping or early in the mornings or late at night. And it's 2 months in, so this is my end of month reality check. It's 2 months in and I'm nowhere close to making 10K a month. But anyways, I'm going to share my figures with you guys because I always come here and I give tips on different side hustles, but I never really share how much I make from them. So people want to know if what you're sharing actually works. So I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of how much I made in the month of February from these simple little side hustles and tell you the ones that work, which ones don't work, and so you can know how to choose different side hustles for yourselves. So quick intro, my name is Maureen Bess. I'm a stay-at-home mom to a baby girl. On this channel, I share mom-friendly side hustles you can do from anywhere. And without wasting so much time, I'm going to go down the list of the things that I do as my side hustles and how much I made from them in this month of February. Mind you, I'm going to be looking at my notes. I put them down so I don't mistake the figures. I also did a round down to the nearest figure. So if I have something like 15 cents, $15, 20 cents, I just round it down to $15. First on the list is YouTube. So YouTube, I started YouTube 5 years ago, but I left it halfway. I call myself a runaway YouTuber. It was so tasking, a lot to be done, filming, scripting, editing, and I wasn't seeing any results, so I abandoned it. I only came back to it last year. So YouTube is one of the side hustles that I aim to make money from, but I'm not yet making money from it. But so far this month, I have reached 500 subscribers. Glory be to God. And I had a video had more than 2,000 views, so I'm on the way to maybe getting monetized. I'm still working on that. Now, the second side hustle that I'm doing is Facebook monetization. So Facebook monetization, I made $65, and for this $65 is from posting content. Facebook pays you to post reels, videos, stories, photos, even text posts. They pay for literally everything. Majority of the income that I made of that $65 came from photos. So if you're in the Facebook monetization program, after you have posted for a while, it's just good for you to go down your analytics and see what works for you. So now I'm trying to double down on photos or photo posts because that is what gives me the most income. The next thing that I want to talk about as a side hustle is TikTok shop. This, I don't even know how to even put it. When I got approved for the TikTok Creator Pilot Program, I was so excited. I've been seeing videos, people making thousands of dollars a month. So I felt like, oh, once I get approved, after having 1K followers, I'm going to start making money. I haven't made a single cent since I got approved into the program. I'm honestly thinking I might just drop TikTok shop and concentrate more on the side hustles that are bringing me income. And maybe after some time, I'll get back to it. So YouTube, I didn't make any money. Facebook, I made $65. TikTok shop, I made 0 cents. I haven't made any money from that. The next thing on my list as a side hustles that I do is mystery shopping. So mystery shopping is where you go to establishments or companies will pay you to go to establishments and you act as a regular customer. You go there and check things like how clean the store was, how soon did your food come out. Let's say if you went to a restaurant, how the employees treated you, all these small things. And when you get back home, you give them information on your feedback, or you tell them about your experience, and they're going to pay you a fee. So for mystery shopping in the month of February, I made $78. I only did 2 mystery shopping tags this month. Some of them were a little bit too far because usually they will give you tags based on where you're staying. So some of them were a little bit too far. I didn't want to drive too far to go for those shopping for the tags. I only did 2 this month, which gave me $78. The next side hustle that brought in some income for me is Facebook Marketplace. So on Facebook Marketplace, I sell things that I don't use. Let's say I have things at home that I'm not using, but are still good. I put them on Facebook Marketplace. And also, since I'm in the Amazon Influencer Program, brands and sellers send me free products sometimes in exchange for a review. Most of these products, if I'm not using it, if I'm not gifting it to family and friends, I sell them on Facebook Marketplace. So on Facebook Marketplace, I made $325 this month. Guys, don't sleep on Facebook. The way things go quick on Facebook, my God, don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. That is, it's a dime. It's a gold mine down there. You have to Just put something. If you something that you have at home, I'm guessing you have things in your garage, in your attic that you're not using. Clean them up, wash them up, put them on Facebook Marketplace. Of course, you put them at a lesser price. There will be somebody out there that will want to get it. So Facebook Marketplace made me $325. The next thing that I made money from this month is coaching sessions. So I have a free guide, the Mom Hustle Starter Kit, that has 10 beginner-friendly side hustles. So these side hustles that I'm talking about here, those are the things that I have in my Mom Hustle Starter Kit. So it's a free guide, but if you, after watching or after reading the starter kit, you want a one-on-one session to figure out which of the side hustles is best for you based on your schedule, based on your location, you can then book a strategy call with me. So for those strategy calls, I had 2 strategy calls this February. I charge it at $37 an hour, so I made $74 for those two sessions. The next thing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote goods and services of other people, things that you didn't create, but you just promote them. Then with your unique affiliate link, when someone makes a purchase using your link, you then earn a commission. So for affiliate marketing this month, I made $167. So within this affiliate marketing, I had a few digital product sales, I had a few software recommendations, and a few things that I posted on my Instagram. And somebody be like, oh, I love the dress you're wearing. Where did you get it from? I got it from Amazon, and I'll share that link with you. And once you make that purchase, Amazon will then give me a commission. So that is what I made for affiliate marketing. Also, I also have a side gig. I have a, how will I put it? I have a side gig, a freelance gig on Fiverr for Google Ads. So on Google Ads this month, I made $900. Usually I'll charge you 30% or charge the client 30% of how much their ad budget was. So for this month, I made $900 from Google Ads. You can just go to Fiverr. If you have any set skills that you're very good at, you can make a little portfolio for yourself. You upload this on Fiverr, on Upwork. People looking for that skills can then pay you money to do it for them, and you get paid. So the platform is going to take their commission. They're going to take a fee or a charge from whatever you make. But then at the end of it, what I got was $900 from that. The next thing that I made money this month was from flyers. So I have people here and there asking me, can you please make me a flyer for a birthday, baby shower, company flyers, company logos, all those small things that you can do it on Canva. I made $300 from that, just from creating flyers for people, invitations, RSVP, QR codes, all of that. That made me $300. And last but not the least, this is my bread and butter, the Amazon Influencer Program. So the Amazon Influencer Program, it's a program where you make simple review videos of items you already own and use. You upload these videos to Amazon product pages. You don't have to post these videos on social media. You don't even have to show your face. Now, you know when you're shopping on Amazon and you see, like you go down the carousel, you see videos of people showcasing the product. Those are where the videos are being placed. If now somebody is shopping and they watch your video among the carousels and they make a purchase after watching your video, Amazon then pays you a commission. So for the Amazon Influencer Program this month, I made, where is it? Okay, for the Amazon Influencer Program this month, I made $1,800 and I received $900 worth of free products. You remember the items I said I sold on Facebook Marketplace? Yes, most of them were from sellers on Amazon. So they'll give you free products in exchange for a review. Some of them will even pay you a fee, $30, $40 just to create that video. So from the free products that I received, free products worth of $900, and I've sold $325 from it. But I made commissions, that is from the Amazon Influencer Program itself. I made a commission of $1,800 in this month of February. So this brings me to a total of $3,700 in the month of February. Now, this is nowhere close to 10K. Sometimes I feel like I was overreaching. It is not even half of 10K, but I'm really happy about how much I have made from these simple side hustles as a stay-at-home mom. Because when I first became a stay-at-home mom, I felt so frustrated. I'm someone who always wants to be independent. I value financial independence a lot. And me being a stay-at-home mom, not having to earn my own income, was dreading for me. I searched online. I was spending late nights searching on ways to make money online, different ways to make money from home. And I finally figured out a few of the side hustles that are working. Some of them, not all of them are working. Like I mentioned to you, I don't earn anything from TikTok shop. People earn from TikTok shop, but I haven't figured it out yet. I'm not monetized I'm not monetized on YouTube, and I probably need to take Facebook seriously. But with earning this from home while being present with my daughter, I'm so grateful for the opportunity. One thing I want to say is when you're starting out with side hustles or trying to make money online, you are not always going to have the money so quick. It is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to put in the work. I got approved for the Amazon Influencer program in January 2025, but I only started taking it serious in August 2025, and my first payout then was $42. On Facebook, my very first payout was $11. But I saw that it's an opportunity. If you start earning, even if it's 1 cent, you see that, okay, at least there is an opportunity for you to make more money on this thing. Then you just have to double down on it, and so you can get more payments or more income from it. So guys, this is it for my end of month reality check. This is how much I made in the month of February. Please let me know down in the comment section which other side hustles you're doing that is bringing you income. This stay-at-home mama is always looking to make some more money. And if you're a mom who wants to make money online but you don't know where to start, I will leave down below my free mom hustle starter kit. It has all of the side hustles I've talked about. It's completely free, so you can go through the guide, and if you want a one-on-one session to actually go deep into the different side hustles to figure out which one is best for you based on your schedule, your location, or anything of that sort, you can then book a session with me. You can reach out to me on my social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, and Mompreneur, and we can work together, or we can go from there. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.